let's start the video. So for this one, take a sheet and then fold it very nicely. Now fold the edges out of it. Now make the shape out of it as the heart shape and cut it very nicely and gently. It will look like this. Now open it. It's done. For the next one in the video, make the circle on the sheet and cut it out. Now fold it into half. It will look like this. Now take another circle and make a swirl out of it. Now do it as shown in the video. Make a smiley face and it's all done. For the next one in the video, take a sheet and then start folding it from all the edges, turn it over and then fold it into half. Now open it nicely and fold it from the another side. Now do it as shown in the video. It will start looking like this and then attach the strings. It's done. For the next one in the video, take a straw and then cut it into half. Now attach it with the help of a glue gun. Now take a tissue and then cut the borders out of it and then do the highlighter as the color and then wet it nicely. It will look like this. Now make 4 out of it. Now with the help of an elastic, attach it all together. It will look like this. Paste the lights. It's done. For the next one in the video, take a bottle and cut it like this. Now take a balloon and blow it inside it. It will look like this. Now do it as shown in the video. Take a string and then attach it with the help of a cap. It's done. Thanks for watching.